Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atme Green School. Today, Jai Swaminarayan. Today, class 8th, lesson number 10, Civics, book Civics, Law and Social Justice. In my previous class, I had explained up till 128. Today, we start with 129, that is the yellow box, environment as a public facility. Okay, this I had given for you to read because it's a students को read करना था. There is nothing to explain. And okay, next is on the right hand side, it is emissions from vehicles are a major cause of environmental pollution. Okay, ये जो निकलता है, रिलीज होती है सब धुआं वगैरह, ये भी बहुत एयर को पॉल्यूट करता है. In a series of rulings 1998 onwards, the Supreme Court had ordered all public transport vehicles using diesel were to switch off to CNG. As a result of this move, air pollution in cities like Delhi came down considerably. But a recent report by the Center for Science and Environment, New Delhi, shows the presence of high levels of toxic substance in the air. This is due to emissions from cars run on diesel rather than petrol and a sharp increase in the number of cars on the road. कि पॉल्यूशन का सबसे बड़ा आज है कि व्हीकल्स आज इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई है ऑन रोड. ओके, दैट इज पेट्रोल यू कैन से, CNG यू कैन से, देन डीजल यू कैन से. इंक्रीज की वजह से जो दैट इज जो टॉक्सिक लेवल है इन द एयर वो भी इंक्रीज हो चुका है. ओके, so that is also environment pollution, सबसे बड़ा environment pollution है. Then we go to next, that is below that. See, you can see few workers outside the closed factories. अब ये जो workers हैं, इन्हें फैक्ट्री बंद हो जाएगी तो ये workers तो इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं फैक्ट्री खुलने का. कुछ वर्कर्स हैं उन्होंने तो कहीं और नौकरी ले ली, लेकिन कुछ वर्कर्स है वो उनके पास नहीं है, उन्हें नौकरी नहीं मिल रही है. तो और ये डेली वेज लेबर्स है. सोचो, डेली वेज लेबर्स अगर ऐसे नौकरी से छूट जाए तो फिर कितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इनके लिए. Some might find work in even smaller production units where the conditions of work are even more exploitative. और कुछ वर्कर्स हैं, ओके, कुछ वर्कर्स हैं जो लो वेजेस पे काम नहीं करना चाहते हैं, या जिस कंपनी फैक्ट्री में सेफ्टी नहीं है तो इन लोगों को तो आराम से वहाँ पे इनवाइट है. आज जिस छोटी छोटी इंडस्ट्री कंपनीज में सेफ्टी नहीं है, इन लोगों को आराम से वो नौकरी दे देते हैं एट लोअर वेजेस. लेकिन कुछ ऐसे वर्कर्स हैं जो बिना सेफ्टी के किसी कंपनी वगैरह में काम नहीं करना चाहते हैं, या अपनी एटलीस्ट मेहनत का पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं, लो वेजेस पे नहीं काम करना चाहते, तो वो बेरोजगार रहते हैं. ओके, एंड कुछ वर्कर्स है जो बिल्कुल परवाह नहीं करते अपनी सेफ्टी की, किसी चीज़ की नहीं, बस उन्हें सिर्फ पैसा मिल रहा है. ओके, और उन्हें ये भी नहीं है कि कम मिल रहा है पैसा या कुछ है, दे जस्ट जॉइन इट. वी गो टू पेज 130. Advanced countries are relocating the toxic and hazardous industries to developing countries to take advantage of the weaker laws in these countries and keep their own countries safe. South Asian countries, particularly India, Bangladesh and Pakistan, play host for industry producing pesticides, asbestos or processing zinc and lead. Shipbreaking is another hazardous industry that is growing rapidly in South Asia. Old ships no longer in use are sent to shipyards in Bangladesh and India for scrapping. Scrap यानी रद्दी में, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, yes, सब स्क्रैप में जाता है, रद्दी की दुकान में. These ships contain potentially dangerous and harmful substances. This photo shows workers breaking down a ship in Alang, Gujarat. आलंग पता है एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे फर्नीचर बहुत सस्ता मिलता है. आलंग अच्छा भी मिलता है, ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा नहीं होता है. आलंग जो हमारे गुजरात में है. Laws are necessary. Now the conclusion of this lesson is कि laws are necessary in many situations, where this be the market हो, कि office हो, कि factory हो, so as to protect people from the unfair practices. Private companies, contractors, business persons, in order to make high profits, resort to unfair practices such as paying workers low wages, employing children for work, ignoring the conditions of work, ignoring the damage to the environment and hence to the people in the neighborhood. A major role of the government, therefore, is to control the activities of private companies by making, enforcing and upholding laws so as to prevent unfair practices and ensure social justice. This means that the government has to make appropriate laws and also has to enforce the laws. Laws that are weak and poorly, कि ऐसे भी लॉ नहीं बनाने हैं जो पीपल अप्रूव ही नहीं करे, यानी पीपल उसे एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करे. लॉस ऐसे होने चाहिए जो लोगों को भी लगे कि हाँ, ये लेने के बाद देखो, आप अगर लॉ के दायरे में रहते हो तो आपका ही प्रॉफिट है. हमें अगर लगा है कि गवर्नमेंट ने कोई लॉ दिया है, उस पर एनफोर्स, उस पर इम्प्लीमेंट करने को कहा है, तो हमें मानना चाहिए. हाँ, लगे कि इट इज़ रिलायबल फॉर अस, ठीक है, तो हमें मानना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमारे प्रॉफिट के लिए. ओके. Laws that are weak and poorly enforced can cause serious harm, as the Bhopal gas tragedy showed. लेकिन जो लॉज जो ऐसे वीक और पुअर है, जिन्हें कोई माने नहीं, तो फिर बाद में ये हाल होता है. तो लॉस का मजबूत यानी स्ट्रॉन्ग लॉ बनाना, कि जिससे लोगों को मानना ही और लोगों को लगे कि यस, हमें ये मानना चाहिए, हमें इस पे अमल करना चाहिए, इस पे इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए, ताकि हमारा ही फायदा हो. वरना भोपाल गैस स्टडी जैसा हो जाएगा. लॉ तो था, लेकिन लॉ ऐसा था कि कि ना इम्प्लीमेंट था कि लोग करें और ना ही फोर्स्ड. While the government has a leading role in this respect, people can exert pressure so that both private companies and the government act in the interest of society, environment, as we saw in one example, where people have pushed a public cause and the courts have upheld the right to healthy environment as intrinsic to the right to life. In this chapter, we have argued that people now must demand that this facility of healthy environment be extended to all. Environment healthy होगा, water pollute नहीं होगा, मतलब ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो हिंदुस्तान को आगे लेके आ सकती हैं. Okay, likewise, workers' rights, right to work, right to the fair wage and decent work conditions is an area where the situation is still very unfair. People must demand stronger laws protecting workers' interests so that the right to life is achieved for all. Okay, क्योंकि right to life हमारा basic हमारा right है. Okay, now we move to its question answers, textual 131 page of your text. Okay, yes, come on, we go to exercise. Talk to two workers, for example, construction workers, farmer workers, factory workers, workers at any shop, to find out if they are receiving the minimum wages laid down by laws. Okay, that is answer is construction workers do not receive the minimum wages. Factory workers do get minimum wages. Next, what are the advantages to foreign companies in setting up production in India? क्या क्या advantages है foreign company का India में business setup करना? That is cheap labor, fewer additional expenses, that is housing facilities, and no strict safety standards to follow. Then third, do you think the victims of the Bhopal gas tragedy got justice? No. The victims of the Bhopal gas tragedy did not get justice. The victims of the gas leak have still not been rehabilitated. 3 decades later, they are still fighting for safe drinking water, health standards, and jobs for living. They are yet to get adequate compensation for the suffering caused. Their cases are still pending in numerous courts. आज भी ये भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी का केस चल रहा है जो पेंड है, क्योंकि उनको उनका कंपनसेशन नहीं मिला है. आज भी वो लोग सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, हेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड जॉब्स फॉर लिविंग के लिए मांग कर रहे हैं. सोचो, 10-12 साल हो गए इस बात को. What do you mean when we speak of law enforcement? Who is responsible for enforcement? Why is enforcement so important? Law enforcement means implementation of the laws made by the government on ground without discrimination. The government is responsible for enforcement. That is, enforcement of laws is important because rules and procedures should be flouted rampantly. Without it, the Bhopal gas tragedy took place because of lax safety laws in the country. How can laws ensure that markets work in a manner that is fair? First, enforcing the law against black marketing by regular surprise checks. मैंने आपको बोला ना कि कभी भी सरप्राइज चेक भी होता है किसी कंपनी में. ओके, सरप्राइजली भी. जैसे हमारे कभी स्कूल में अचानक क्लास के अंदर बच्चे बहुत मस्ती कर रहे, अचानक टीचर आ जाए. ओके, सो ऐसे सरप्राइज चेक भी होता है ऐसी कंपनीज में. टू कर्ब होर्डिंग ऑफ आइटम्स. टू कर्ब यानी कि क्या क्या उन्होंने छुपा के रखा है, कितना माल उन्होंने छुपा के रखा हुआ है अभी तक, ये सब की होर्डिंग जो है वो भी उन्हें पता चल जाता है. क्योंकि बोल के आते हैं तो वो बात नहीं है, जो उल्टे सीधे काम है वो सब छुप जाते हैं. Then Anti-Child Labor Act must be enforced to check exploitation of children by sealing shops and industries that employ children. Then imagine yourself to be the worker in the. This is, ये कुछ नहीं है. Okay, ये just आपको imagine करना है आपके बारे में कि if I work in a factory, तो the factory is going to be. Okay. Then next, write a paragraph on the various roles of the government that you have read about in this unit. Various roles for government are as follows: provide public facilities for a decent standard of living all the citizens, make laws for the protection of people from exploitation by the market, enforce laws to ensure their proper implementation, and punish those who flout the rules, disobey the laws. Then next, what are the sources of environmental pollution in our area? That is air. पहले तो air है, फिर water, soil. Air, that is vehicle emissions, जो vehicle से धुआं निकलता है, all that smoke. Factories emitting gas, hazardous gas, poisonous gas. Then water, disposal of industries waste in the rivers, throwing of garbage. Soil, industrial effluents, जो भी industrial का waste होता है सब. Then steps being taken to reduce pollutions are old vehicles, जो पुरानी vehicles है जो ज़्यादा गैस emit करती है, smoke, उसे बैन कर देना. Disposal of industrial and household waste into the rivers prohibited हो गया. Crack down on factories emitting pollutants. Then other suggestions are promote the use of public transport as much as possible, promote environment friendly ways of disposing waste, for example composting, compost pit, पता है ना, पिट करके उसमें सब डंप कर देना है. generate awareness among citizens about the harmful effects of polluting the environment. Then the next, how was environment treated earlier? What has been the change in perception? Okay. Then you can see how was environment treated earlier. What has been the change in the perception? Discuss. This answer includes the Bhopal gas tragedy का answer आप लिख सकते हो. Fundamental right to life. Then question number 10 is activity that you learn and you do it. देखो ये जो नीचे पिक है कितना क्रूएल्टी है कि मतलब कितना उनसे burdening kids like this. I had to hire that boy to help my son.
तीखा ठीक है.
ओके देखो वही कर रहे हैं ये लोग ना कि इतना काम करवा रहे हैं, देंगे इनको कितना 10 रुपीज 5 रुपीज देखना, और इतना इनसे बर्डन उठवा रहे हैं. ओके सो ये जो कार्टूनिस्ट है आर के लक्ष्मण ट्राई टू कन्वे इन दिस कार्टून की जो 2016 लॉ दैट यू हैव रेड ऑन द पेज नंबर 123 चाइल्ड लेबर. Okay, now I will discuss its multiple choice questions. See, the question is, who ensures that the laws are implemented? Who ensures that the laws are implemented? The government. When did the government amend the Child Labour Prevention Act? That is month and year. It is October 2006. Union Carbide was an American company. Which type of population was caused by the Bhopal gas tragedy? Air pollution and water pollution दोनों ही था. Name the poisonous gas that leaked from the Union Carbide's plant leading to a serious disaster. It was methyl isocyanate, MIC. Methyl isocyanate, MIC. Poisonous gas. What did the Union Carbide's Bhopal plant produce? Pesticides. Right to a healthy environment is intrinsic to the fundamental right to life. Who owns the Union Carbide plant at present? Dow Chemical. At present, Dow Chemical. DOW. Then very short answers. In what situation does the enforcement of a law becomes all the more important? Enforcement of a law becomes all the more important when it seeks to protect the weak from the strong. Strong बनाने के लिए अब लॉ जबरदस्ती सबको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. अब ये हाल हो गया है, स्पेशली इंडिया में. What does 2001 census data say about child labor in India? That is between 5 and 14 work in occupations including hazardous ones. How can you say that the Child Labor Prevention Act is not successful in achieving the goal? Because even today 74% of child domestic workers are under the age of 16 years. What does the Constitution say about child labor? No child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mines or engage in any जैसे बीड़ी की शॉप, फायर क्रैकर्स की शॉप, एनी हजार्डियस एम्प्लॉयमेंट. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CNG? compressed natural gas. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. What does the fundamental right against exploitation states? That no one can be forced to work for low wages or under bondage. What is Minimum Wages Act? Specifies that wages should not be below specified minimum limit. Which incident brought the issue of environment to the forefront in India? Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. Name the South Asian countries which have become centers for industries producing pesticides, asbestos, or producing zinc. That is India, Bangladesh, Pakistan have become centers for industries producing these items. What were the textile mills in Ahmedabad closed down in 1890s? Because they were facing still competition from power looms during the 1980s and 1900s. Name the company which was involved in the Bhopal gas tragedy. It was Union Carbide, American company. Who were the victims of the Bhopal gas? Poor working class families living near the plant. What happened to the US plant following the disaster? Stopped its operations, leaving behind tons of toxic chemicals. Whose responsibility is to enforce safety laws? Government. Under which article of Indian Constitution the right to life is under Article 21? Okay, students, still more to explain. See, match the column. Private companies, profit motive. Government, social justice. Bhopal gas tragedy, 1984. Amended Child Labour Prevention Act, 2006. Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar, 1991. You go to true or false. The minimum wages are revised upwards every few years. True. Within 3 days of the Bhopal gas tragedy, more than 8,000 people were dead. True. Accidents are rare in construction sites. False. The victims of the Bhopal gas tragedy finally got justice. False. UC Chairman Anderson has been prosecuted. False. Fill in the blanks. The government makes dash to protect people from exploitation. Laws. Markets deny workers their rights in the drive for profits. There is a law on dash to ensure that workers are not underpaid. Minimum wages. Emissions, that is release of vehicles, are a major cause of air pollution. Laws ensure that the relations between workers, consumers and producers are not exploitative. Okay students, so with this I had finished this lesson and I had also explained MCQ भी मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किए हैं, also short answers and all that. Okay, so please do read this lesson. With this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all.